Essex, and I am your network marketing, affiliate marketing, online success connection. Welcome to my channel. Our channel is all about giving reviews on company, tools, and products in our industry. We deal primarily with how to make money with network marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to generate unlimited leads for your home-based business. Every day we give a review so that you can make a well-informed decision. If you are interested in any of these topics, feel free to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and also to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified every day when we release our videos. With that being said, guys, let's get into today's review. Hello guys. This is Sandra Essex, your online marketing success connection. Today, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to be discussing is a free product called Adobe Spark. Now, if you're like myself, and I know it has to be a lot of people out there on the internet like myself that's just getting started making YouTube videos, and you can just be so overwhelmed about all the things that you have to learn. But one thing that's very important to have is a really good professional looking thumbnail. You have some that's so elaborate and you're trying to learn about SEO and getting your video ranked, and now you got to learn how to make elegant, complicated thumbnails. Well, I have something for the beginner that you might be interested in while you're trying to work your way through your learning curve. It's a site called Adobe Spark. And what they offer is free thumbnails. You're able to make free thumbnails for your YouTube video. Now here we're looking at a site of Adobe Spark, and it tells you a little bit about their product. It says a YouTube video thumbnails has the same function as a movie poster or a book jacket. Excuse me, capturing attention and persuading people to click that play button is worth your time. After you invest the time to create your YouTube video, spending a few more minutes adding a professional quality looking thumbnail can have a huge impact on the growth of your audience, So what I'd like to do is tell you a little bit about this free program here called Adobe Spark. Okay, with Adobe Spark, you will find that it's easy creating simple or elegant thumbnails. They have a gallery that you can choose from, or you can upload your own photos to make your thumbnails. Some suggestions on making a thumbnail they give is that they want you to pick a good size and shape. They want you to give it some personality, incorporate your logo or your banner, choose a good image, and have eye-catching fonts on your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so they give you a lot of suggestions about how to make your thumbnail attractive. Now, me myself, I am a newbie and I'm still going through the learning curve, but I'd like to show you some of their designs that you can start with, and you can make more elaborate designs and thumbnails as you get more experience with making thumbnails. Now, you can go to the Adobe site, and what I'm going to do is leave the web address in the description. Now, if you come to this site right here, you can start to create your thumbnail for free now, and you can set up a free account. So if you were going to use this site to create a thumbnail, you would click right here. Okay, it's going to come over here, and you're going to pick YouTube thumbnail, and then hit next. At this point, you can pick one of their graphics, or you can come over and upload a graphic for yourself. Now, once you get to this part, you're assuming that you've either clicked one of their logos or uploaded a picture or graphic that you want to use for yourself. So just to keep this short and simple, to let you know how easy it is, I'm going to click here on this link right here, and it's going to show a thumbnail that I created. It's nice, it's professional, it's simple, but you can make more elaborate ones. Here you have the option to change the color to anything you want. Okay, you have the option to change your layout. I chose, let's see, which one of these I chose? I think I chose this one right here, the grid. So you have that right there. That's what we're on. You can choose any kind of different layout that you want. So once you choose your layout, then you get the words that you want to put in your layout. You click this right here. Then you click this right here and you can edit it. Okay, you can copy and paste whatever words and graphics that you want here. You click done. Okay, at that point you have your thumbnail. Okay, if you want to change your colors, you can come over here and change your colors. You know, once you come to the website, you're going to see it's so many things that you can do. I'm just trying to keep the video nice and short. So you see, you can change your special effects. You can change your shape. You can just get so creative. And all this is a very simple free tool. Now, once you create your thumbnail, all you do is come up here. You download it. You hit JPEG. You start the download process. Then once you start the download process, you're going to come down here at the bottom of the page, and it's going to say my post. You right click that. It's going to say come into your folder. Okay, it's in your folder here, and you just add it, move it up to whatever folder you want to have it in until you're ready to use it. I have a couple folders in my folder, so I'll click this button down here, move but keep both files. So I'm going to click that. It's saved into my file on my desktop, and then I can use it as needed. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is an excellent free tool that you can use if you're interested in having very nice, simple, or elegant thumbnails for your website and your YouTube videos. Again, you can change the style, you can change the effects. It's just so many things that you can do, you know, with this Adobe Spark thumbnail software. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments because I do reply to all my comments. And if you want to learn more about my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below the video. Feel free to leave a message and I will get back with you. With that being said, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you may be updated on my reviews every day. Also click the bell icon so you know when I will release my videos. With that being said, guys, I'll see you on my next review.